Guys, in the last lecture we discussed type of fluid on the basis of material, and in this lecture we will discuss the type of fluid on the basis of fluid services, that how they transport and how much they transport. So, on the basis of fluid services, pipes are divided into many types. So we will discuss the process type, flow type, plumbing type, piping, and the pipeline system. And process piping. The process piping are those pipes which are used in industrial plants to carry wood, to carry chemical, gases, steam, and liquid. So they are used in manufacturing process. And the second type of five on the basis of fluid services is power piping. Power piping are used in power plants for high temperature and high pressure. Mean they can sustain the high pressure and high temperature. The third type is the plumbing pipe used in residential or commercial buildings. Forward for water drainage system and power water supply. The sanitary pipes are mainly plumbing pipe, and the fourth one is pipeline system. These system are the long distance transport of oil, gas, or water from our power plant to the other areas, or the crude oil from the mining to the power plants. The third type is based on water pressure. So in pressure we have low pressure piping system, medium and high. The low pressure piping system is used for water distribution and drainage system. The medium is used for industrial utility system, and the high pressure piping is used for in boilers, refineries, and power plants. So it is the third uh, piping system based on pressure. Guys, the fourth type of piping system is based on temperature. So these are cryogenic piping that carries extremely low temperature fluid such as liquid nitrogen or LNG, liquid nitrogen gas, and the high temperature piping system. The high temperature piping system used for steam and hard fluid transport.